Exploring the phrase, drowsy. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll be diving deep into the word, drowsy. Ever felt like your eyelids were heavy and you were on the verge of falling asleep? Well, then you felt drowsy. Let's get into the nuances of this word and see how to use it in sentences. Drowsy is an adjective that describes a feeling of being sleepy or tired. It's that state you're in when you're just about to fall asleep or when you're feeling very lethargic. Think of those times after a heavy lunch or when you're listening to a very boring lecture. Knowing a word is one thing, but being able to use it correctly in a sentence is another. Here are a few examples to help you. 1. After reading for hours, she felt drowsy and decided to take a nap. 2. The medication can make you drowsy, so avoid driving after taking it. 3. The room was warm and he was starting to feel drowsy. It's always great to know synonyms, words with similar meanings, for any word you learn. For drowsy, some common synonyms are sleepy, lethargic, tired, dozy. Remember, while these words can be used in place of drowsy, the context might slightly change the meaning, so always ensure the synonym fits the sentence. Just as with synonyms, understanding antonyms, opposite words, can also enrich your vocabulary. For drowsy, the opposites are alert, energetic, vigilant, awake. There you have it. We've explored the word drowsy, its usage, synonyms, and even its opposites. Next time you feel a little sleepy or notice someone struggling to keep their eyes open, you'll know exactly which word to use. Happy learning, and remember, every word you learn brings you one step closer to mastering the English language.